Revolts are brewing within the Congress party as well as the Bharatiya Janata Party, as many party loyalists and ticket aspirants have been denied nomination by the party. Many of the disgruntled ticket hopefuls have either resigned from the party to contest independently or have started applying pressure tactics through their supporters.
Stating that he was fed up with the dynasty politics coming up in the state Congress party, well-known businessman from Panjim, Dinar Tarkar, resigned from his primary membership of the Indian National Congress on Wednesday morning.
In fact, in what is happening now, today, what I read yesterday, was that 4 families have got 12 tickets. So finally what? Are they going to have the assembly or cabinets on the dining table? Of course, I have stayed away from Congress for the last 4 years. It was today's resignation was merely a formality. I have sent it in the morning.
Mr. Tarkar joined MGP on Wednesday evening and likely to contest from the Santa Cruz constituency.
आता म्हाका दिसता की एक रिजनल पार्टी मजबूत तरेन बांदची जावं बांदपाक आदार करचो तोच एक मेन मुद्दो आयज मगोन प्रवेश करता. सॅटिस्फायड विथ द गव्हर्नन्स ऑफ प्रश्न देर वॉज नो गव्हर्नन्स. आज पर्यंत सरकारी जी पळय परमिशनां लागता ती परमिशनां घेवन आमी मायनिंग धंदो लास्ट 20 वर्सां चलयता. खंयच्याय वेळाचेर म्हाका समज जर आपयलो ही परमिशनां घेवन म्हजें स्पश्टीकरण करचें पडलें, इन्क्वायरी करची पडली, हांव तयार आसा.
In another jolt to the Congress party, businessman Praveen Zante resigned from the primary membership of the party on Wednesday to contest from Mai as an independent.
आयज एनसीपीचे थंय नामो निशाण ना. जेन्ना लास्ट पार्लिमेंटरी इलेक्शन आशिल्ले 5400 वोट्स आमी एनसीपीक दिवन दिले. कोणे दिले? आमच्या सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी दिले. एक मेंबर नासतना सुद्धा आज एनसीपीक हे तिकीट दिल्ली वता. तुम्ही आता फॅमिली भितर 3-3, 4-4 तिकीटी दितात. तुमच्या दुसऱ्या फॅमिली भितर 2-2 तिकीटी दितात. जे लॉयल असतात ते तुमचे व्हिक्टोरिया फर्नांडीस लॉयल तिका तुम्ही काढतात आणि कोणाक तरी तिकीट दितात. चल्ला कितें समीर साळगांवकर पळया. हे लोकांक तुम्ही यू कॅनॉट टेक देम फॉर ग्रांटेड. एक मात्र बरोवन घेयात. लोक ह्या वेळा शिकयतले. आज लोकांनी निर्धार धरिल्लो आसा की बाबा एक हुकुमशाही आणि घराणेशाही हाज्या अगेन्स्ट लोक काम करतात.
Meanwhile, hundreds of supporters of former Education Minister Isidore Fernandes on Wednesday marched on the Panjim streets as they were not happy with the Central Congress leaders for delaying the announcement of Isidore Fernandes's name as Kankuna candidate. If Vijay Pai Koth was given the Congress ticket instead of him, former Kankuna MLA Isidore Fernandes said that he would not mind even to contest the election as an independent candidate.
See, आम्ही door to door campaigning करता है last 15 days with all this crowd, everybody. Suddenly we got a message that Mr. Oscar is coming down today. So everybody said, let us all go and meet Mr. Oscar. Why the ticket is delayed to be announced of Kankuna? That is why I have come with them. They forced me to come. I have come with them. I got no fear. You know Isidore for last 20 years. Whether ticket or no ticket, we take decision with all my workers. I take decision. But today there are 11 applicants in the Congress House who are claiming for ticket. Naturally, I'll have to consider them. So that is my stand today.
Meanwhile, Dr. Suresh Amonkar is likely to resign from the Bharatiya Janata Party to contest elections from Sankeli as an independent. Sources say that former Congress leader Naresh Sawal is a BJP ticket hopeful in Bicholi. This has upset party loyalists Shilpa Naik and Manohar Shirodkar. Sources also revealed that Kiran Kandolkar will join the BJP and contest elections from TV. TV constituency is given to the MGP as part of the alliance between Bharatiya Janata Party and Maharashtrawadi Gomantak Party. The BJP is likely to contest the TV seat with the MGP fielding its candidate in Santa Cruz. Meanwhile, Congress Banauli candidate Valanka Alemao and Kalangut candidate Agnello Fernandes filled in Congress's B form at the Congress House, Panjim on Wednesday. With the filling of B form, a person becomes an official party candidate. Ms. Alemao stated that the ticket was a reward for hard work in the past.
Daddy and my uncle, पहिले सा politics आहे, correct? And आव येला, but आव बिस्ते येला. आव आंता येन ticket घेऊन गेल ना. So आव काम करीता ना, माका गेलते but काँग्रेसीन ticket दिला म्हणून आव गारबुसल ना. आव काम कोण? I ticket गेल्या. Mami has been one of a leader and a woman I have always looked up to. And till date, Amota, she's one of the best leaders as far as, Goa and women is concerned. And I personally, I am disappointed for her because I have always looked up to her and I will always look up.